In this example, let's see how to calculate net working days from given start date and end date. Let's take, for example, there is an employee called Gopal. He has started from 1st October 2022 to 31st 2022. So we want to calculate how many days he have worked except Saturday and Sunday. If you see the calendar here, so total we have 31 days in this example, total 5 days Sunday, total 5 days Saturdays, so total holidays are 10 and net working days are 21. So to calculate the same in this formula, using this formula you have to use is equals to net working days, start date you have to select the start date, comma, end date you have to select the end date. If you have any holidays, you can add them. As of now, I'm not adding it. Close the bracket and enter. You can see that you got a 21 as an answer. So copy the same formula and send it up. So this is how you can calculate the net working days. I hope this video is informative. If you like the video, please like it. So share with your friends, and if you have any doubts, comment. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye.